Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and just before we start I just really wanted to show you the finished little rug that I was making in my previous videos. It is so lovely and so super soft. Now I did want to show you the work in progress of this, me actually finishing it off, but I'll explain why I didn't as I get everything out for this video, which is going to be preparing and setting up a new diamond painting. So as I'm sure you are all aware, and as I mentioned in my previous video, I filmed these videos about a week or so behind. Today's date is actually 25th of March. So a few days ago I was going through a very stressful day. Didn't know what was going to be happening with work. Obviously everything with COVID-19 has just been ridiculous. I'm not even sure if I can say that name now. But I was going through a very stressful time, and the way I cope with anxiety and stress is to craft. So I didn't really feel like filming it, so I just worked on that latch hook rug all day whilst I was keeping an eye on updates both from my CEO and from the government. The UK now is officially in lockdown. This is day 2 of lockdown, which has actually made me feel a lot better. I don't feel like I am the one putting my family at risk anymore. I am keeping myself safe. I am at home. I am crafting. I'm taking my dog out for nice walks. I live in the countryside, so that's not a hardship, and it's been beautiful weather the past few days. And I am just plodding on, keeping myself safe and keeping my family safe. And I hope that you are also. So that was just a quick update, just to let you know where I am, what's happening and what's going on. And so in this video I'm just starting off with a brand new diamond painting, and as you can see I decided to go for something bright and cheerful because I thought that is what's needed at this particular time. So I'm doing this absolutely beautiful giraffe, and I'm just emptying out the package. I'm just checking through, making sure I've got all of the bits and pieces that I need, all of the diamond drills that I need, and I'm just going to start by cutting them up and popping them into just little containers for easy access. I just start off by cutting up all the bags so they are individual. I find that makes it easier to get to them, and then I'm using these little pill boxes to store the diamonds in. I love using pill boxes for diamonds. It makes it so much easier to keep them safe and separate and store them all easily. So now that I have boxed up all of the diamonds, I'm just going to grab a pen and write on the numbers onto the boxes. Normally I would cut up labels and stick them all on for ones that are for diamond paintings that are going to take a long time over. But this particular one isn't going to take that long. It's only going to take a few days, I think. So I'm just going to quickly write on the numbers just in a black pen. I'm going to pop that to one side, and then I'm going to prepare my diamond painting tool or pen just by peeling off a bit of corner of the wax and just by sticking the pen into the wax, just to provide a tacky surface for the drills to hold on to. And I'm just going to zoom in just so you can see exactly what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to start working on the antlers, as I like to start from the top and work my way down. So I'm just going to fill up my my tray with the colours that I'm going to be using, and then I'm just going to let this video run and let you enjoy the start of this particular diamond painting. you.